The promise of this technique is to help you to improve some aspects of your life which you want to improve them. For example, maybe you want to improve your YouTube channel or increase your sales or whatever it might be. But what is the process of this strategy? First of all, you should define that aspect of your life which you want to improve it. Then each morning you should think of a couple of ideas that can help you to improve that aspect of your life, and you should write them down. For example, if your goal is to improve your YouTube channel, this goal has some mini goals. One of them is to generate new video ideas, the other one is to improve your titles and thumbnails, and the other one is to improve your retention. You might plan your days like this. For example, you might say, I'm going to think of different video ideas on these days, and I'm going to think different ideas on how to improve my titles and thumbnails and also retention on these other days. But the question is, how many ideas should we generate each day? As Earl Nightingale suggests, you should generate at least 5 ideas each day. This is not very hard in the beginning, but as time passes, this becomes really hard because after some time, you don't have any new ideas because you have written all the ideas which has popped into your mind. But after some time, you don't have any ideas, so writing new ideas becomes really hard. So what I did is to mix this strategy with something which I learned in the book Magic of Thinking Big. Using that strategy, one of his students was able to open 3 shops in a short period of time. He built a daily habit, and that daily habit was to think of different ideas which can help him to improve his business about 10 minutes a day. And at the end of the week, he would filter those ideas and select some of them in order to implement them in future weeks. So in the beginning, because it is not that much difficult, you can set your goal as generating 5 new ideas. But as time passes, you can change that limit and you can set your goal as thinking about how to improve that aspect of your life about 10 minutes a day, no matter how many ideas would pop into your mind. And here are some resources which can help you to get a better idea of this strategy.
Now I really suggest you to watch this video which is on the screen now.